If an evil spirit had a body, then that would definitely be Maruna Sitibeng. Guys, Maruna just told Owethu that she slept with Bongo. I'm so traumatized. Guys, come on, let us talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Okay, I think we all agree that Genesis is picking up its storyline now, and the acting is starting to be more genuine. In fact, what I'm trying to say here is that this is the Genesis that we all have been waiting for. I really cannot wait for the next episode, after the episode where Maruna told Owethu that Bongo slept with her. Even worse. She told Owethu that she slept with Bongo a night before Bongo announced that he's engaged to Owethu now. This is so annoying. If you ask me, okay? If you ask me, this is really annoying. In fact, Maruna is annoying me. From the conversation that she was having with Owethu, I didn't see anything that could push someone to sing like that. Yes, she had every right to get angry like that, but that conversation was not that deep. Now, poor Owethu is going to have to suffer from a heartbreak. Phela Owethu let Lizwi go choosing Bongo. Now, she's going to have to regret all of that because Lizwi told her back then that Bongo will always go back to Maruna. But then at the end of the day, part of me is happy that at least this is Owethu is finding out, not Maruna. I doubt that Owethu would go to an extent of maybe going to podcasts like Maruna would, or exposing Bongo about cheating, or doing anything that could ruin Bongo's tour. Or could she do that, guys? Could Owethu go out there and expose Bongo and try and ruin Hey, this is trouble, Guys, I don't want to lie. This show is really entertaining recently. And if you haven't watched it or you don't watch it at all, then you're going to have to go and watch it right now. So, comment down in the comment section. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.